Hey magicals, welcome back to my channel. My name is Soltochuku Nakife, aka Magic, and you guys are welcome to my channel. Please sit back and enjoy today's video. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make rice and Fejuada sauce. But before we get to that point, I will be using charcoal or coal pot to cook because it's Fejuada. Fejuada is beans. It's a bean dish, so I don't want to waste my gas, so I'm using charcoal for it. So I'll show you how to put charcoal from scratch, how to use it and cook whatever you want to cook and all of that. So if you're interested in watching this and knowing what I do or how I do it, please keep watching. So now first things first, this is my charcoal and this is a bottle of kerosene. So my cocoa is just, I have to get rid of the excess ashes, just get them off. Yes, so I'm done now. I'll just use my hands to tear this a bit. I think I'll have to tear more because it seems like we didn't tear enough. So now I'm done. I'm trying to create a hole in the middle, a kind of hole in the middle, so that air can penetrate. And this is the air source. It has some arches which I'll remove later. It's facing this way so that the air can come in and help the fire to grow. Okay, I think I've gotten to the hole I need. This is enough. So okay, yeah, that's enough. Now because the hole is already there, I'm going to empty my bottle of Kero. Sorry, I'm going to now pour the Kero there in that hole, then every other place. Some people do not use Kero when they do this. They use paper, nylon, whatever. But I don't want to waste time because the meal I'm about to prepare is not a 2-minute meal, so I don't want to waste time. So after doing this, the next thing to do will be to struck your match. So I've struck the match and this is what's happening. Yes. Woo. Okay guys, at least you get the message. So you're going to have to wait till later. Guys, look who we have here. So now it's almost ready. In fact, it's even ready. If you can observe, you can see all this white stuff, you know. Once all this white stuff starts to appear on the charcoal, yes, just in case you don't know, these things are called charcoal. So once this white thing starts to appear on the charcoal, you just know that it is ready for use. Yeah, so I have my water. I'm about to put it on the fire right now to boil my rice. Then I won't really show you guys everything about boiling rice because it's simple, but I'll show you a step-by-step way to make Fejuada. Just in case you don't know, Fejuada is a bean dish, just like cooking beans in form of sauce or stew. But you guys will understand later when you see me cook it. So I want to show you guys something. If you want the fire to catch, this is what you do. Can you see? Yes, if you want to make the fire come out, you fan. I'm using a packer to fan. You use a fan or anything you want. So that's better now. So I can put whatever I want to put on the fire. So we are back again. I have momo and fish in the pot. Yes, please forgive this hand on my pot. Okay, now we have pepper and onion. I'm going to slice this and pound the pepper. Then I have my beans. I separated into 2 bowls and I've soaked it for about 30 to 40 minutes. Yes. So you soak the beans, you wash it till it's very clean, then you boil. I have my green pea, carrot, yeah, that much. I'm going to add in them to the Fejuada. You guys will see what I do with it. Anyways, you're going to see what I do with it. So as soon as my so I'm boiling my beans. It's been boiling now for like 5 minutes. Now I'm about to wash it off, then put another water that will make it boil till it done or till it cooks. That's what I'm about to do now. So I'm going to wash it. I'm going to wash it, then put it final. Ooh, what's happening? Okay, so we're using our spoon to check. You can see at this point it looks soft. Yes, and this water is what we are going to use to cook it. Like, this is going to be the water of the Fejuada sauce. It's going to thicken, then the beans is going to be very soft. Mind you, I've been boiling these beans for about an hour now, or less than. I'm not so good with time. 45 minutes, 40 minutes, I don't know. But I've been boiling it for a while now. And I want to add oil now. Add oil. Then after the oil, I add onion to help it cook faster as well. You can use red oil, you can also use vegetable oil. There's no particular oil that Fejuada. You can use vegetable oil or red oil, any kind of oil of your choice. I don't know why this pot is doing like this. Crayfish and pepper is going in next. How many people do this? Whenever they are done with pounding something in the mortar, they put water and rinse it off. I do it a lot. So now add some salt and some seasoning cube. Wait, I'll leave it to boil for a while, then I'll add some salt and seasoning cube. Guys, this is my person. I'm about to do something funny. I'm about to do something really funny. This is supposed to help the beans, become soft and thick, because this is going to be the sauce for that rice. So you cannot have it being just like normal beans. I have 3 cubes of seasoning. 3 seasoning cube. I say 3 cubes of seasoning. 3 seasoning cube. You could use less or more to taste, depending on how you want it. I've added salt off camera. I'm so sorry. I thought I got it on camera, but I found out that I didn't. So I'm sorry for that. So this is the seasoning cube I used. Oh my god, can you see it? Okay. Oh, this is Gino. I don't know why it's not clear. It's Gino. Look at it now. Wow. Oh my god, I zoom. Wow. This is rich. I've put the veggies. Oh, I don't know what's wrong with this pot at this point. I don't even know. I cut this veggie in a very strange way. Even I don't even know why I cut it that way. You can cut it any size that you choose. I hope you can see this. So you just leave it to simmer for a while. Then you add your choice protein and then you bring it down from the fire and serve. I'll show you the final look when I'm done. Yay! This is what our fejuada is looking like. Fejuada is so beautiful. Like, I'm going to leave the country of origin of this dish on the screen. Yes, I'm going to leave the country of origin on the screen so that you can check it out, Google it, and all of that. Normally, you don't have a particular protein they cook fejuada with. You can use chicken, fish, turkey, beef, or more, anything you want to use. So for today's fejuada, I'm using this. I would make another more detailed recipe later on. But for now, I have to make do with this. This is how they make it. put the vegetables of choice. You can use cabbage, carrot, spinach, anything you want to use, you could use. Okay, so now our dish is ready. I'll just leave it to boil a little bit and I'll dish. I'll show you pictures when I'm done. Thank you so much for coming along this journey with me, for joining me in my kitchen today and learning how to make fejuada. I hope you do create this in your house, and if you do, please do also tag me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, wherever, and I would be sure to reply. Okay, try out this dish. I'm sure you'll love it. You know, it's very rich, something that the kids will love, because it's a bean dish. So bye. Yeah, I said bye. I know, but I'm taking some thumbnails.